Lights, camera, and action.
So hey guys, this is Tasma.
Smile, please. 3, 2, and 1. Start.
So hey guys, this is Tasma and you are watching Tasma my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to start a new series of science experiment. This is the first video, so let's begin. So first required thing, that is one motor. So second required things are fans. So third required thing is that is wire, one black wire and one red wire, and the cell. Now we have to take the motor and the red wire or a black wire. I am taking the red wire. So what we have to do here, you can see there are two holes. So we have to insert the wire in that motor hole. So let's insert. Boom. So we have inserted the red wire. Now we will take the black wire. Now same process over here also. We have to insert. Now we have inserted the both of the wire. Now we have to take the red wire or black wire. So I have taken the red wire and we have to take the end of that red wire. Here also you can see one wire type is there. Now we have to take this wire and we have to attach this at the last. Now what we have to do, we have to take this fan. Here you can see there is one hole. We have to attach this hole to here. See this motor where we have put the wires now, that downside one line is there, we have to attach there a motor to the, like this we have to attach. Now what we have to do, we have to take, now the process is there for the cell type. So we have to take like this, we have to take this red wire and connect with plus. We have to connect always the red wire to the plus. When we connect the red wires, so we have to connect like this. Plus, where is the plus, we have to connect the red wire, and where is the minus, we have to connect the black wire. And when we connect, the fan has been started 1 minute. See, like this. The fan will be started like this. See, I will put the next. I have 3 fans. I will show you all the 3 fans. So see this fan now I will put. Okay. Now I will red plus to here and this black wire to the minus. 1 minute. This fan is very fast, you can see. Now we will take the another fan. So see, this fan will attach. Now we will attach this again over like this, plus where red wire and minus plus. Now see, this fan also has worked. Any fan can be work, but you have to connect, that hole should be proper. See, it can work. So that's it for today guys. So I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell notification. Stay tuned. Bye bye.